What's the meaning of compact disc? Compact disc. Compact disc.
Compact disc. Compact disc. A compact disc, or CD, is a type of optical disc used for storing digital information. It was first introduced in 1982 and quickly became a popular medium for music and software distribution. A CD is made up of a polycarbonate substrate with a thin layer of aluminum, which is used to store digital data in the form of bits and LANs. CDs can hold up to 700 megabytes of data and are read by a laser beam, which interprets the pattern of bits and LANs to retrieve the stored information.